Willow and the Forest of Whispers. A magical animal and witch adventure. Once upon a time, at the edge of a small village, there was a mysterious forest called the Forest of Whispers. People said the trees could talk and the wind carried secrets. But no one dared to enter, except for a young girl named Willow. Willow wasn't an ordinary girl. She was an apprentice witch, learning magic from her grandmother, the village's kind witch. Willow loved animals, and the forest was full of them, wise owls, playful foxes, and shy deer. One day, while practicing a new spell, Willow heard a soft, urgent whisper from the forest. "Help us," the wind seemed to say. Willow packed her bag with herbs, potions, and her magical wand, then stepped into the forest. Deep inside, she found a little fox tangled in thorny bushes. The fox's fur was as red as autumn leaves, but it looked scared and weak. "Don't worry," Willow said gently. "I'll help you." She whispered a healing spell and carefully freed the fox. "Thank you, Willow," said the fox. Yes, it spoke. "I'm Ember. The forest is in trouble. The trees are losing their magic because the shadow witch has cast a dark spell." Ember explained that the shadow witch, who lived in the deepest part of the forest, was jealous of the village's happiness. She wanted to steal the magic from the forest to become more powerful. If she succeeds, the animals will lose their voices, the trees will stop whispering, and the forest will die, Ember warned. Willow knew she had to stop the shadow witch, but first, she needed to find out how. Willow and Ember gathered the forest animals. Olive the owl, Bramble the badger, and Luna the deer. "We must work together," Olive hooted. "The shadow witch's magic is strong, but the power of friendship and courage is stronger." The animals planned to distract the witch while Willow found the magical crystal that powered the forest's magic. The crystal was hidden in a secret cave guarded by riddles. Willow walked alone to the cave. The entrance was covered by glowing vines. A booming voice said, "To enter here, answer me these 3 riddles true. 1. What has roots but no branches? 2. What flies without wings? 3. What can fill a room but takes no space?" Willow thought carefully. Roots but no branches. A mountain, she guessed. Flies without wings? Time, she said. Fills a room but takes no space? Light, she answered. The vines parted, and Willow stepped inside. The magical crystal shone bright on a pedestal. Just then, the shadow witch appeared. "You think you can stop me?" she hissed, swirling dark smoke. Willow held up the crystal, which glowed with pure light. She whispered a spell taught by her grandmother, and the forest lit up with shimmering magic. The shadow witch tried to fight back, but the crystal's light grew stronger and stronger, pushing the darkness away. With a final cry, the shadow witch vanished, and the forest began to heal. The animals cheered. The trees whispered joyfully again, and Ember's fur glowed brighter. Willow returned to the village a hero, but she never forgot the lesson. Magic is not just in spells or crystals, it's in courage, kindness, and friends. Moral of the story: courage and kindness can overcome even the darkest challenges. True magic comes from friendship, bravery, and helping others. Working together makes us stronger than facing problems alone.